Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In our last videos, we covered very clearly up to pattern number 22, sir. In today's session, let us talk about pattern number 23, which is the same like pattern number 21. So in this case, we are going to display first 6 stars in the first row. Next only 5 stars. Okay, next only 5 stars. Next I want to display 4 stars. Next I want to display 3 stars. Next I want to display 2 stars. Next I want to display 1 star. If you see, it is the same like this pattern, right? Whatever we covered in our previous classes, like 1 to 6 rows, we are printing every time. In the first row 1 star, in the second row 2 stars, like we are increasing the number of stars in the row direction, right? So that's why if you check, the output of our program is something like this. In this example, if you see from top to bottom, we are starting from 1 to 6. I'm going to rewrite this loop from 6 to 1, right? So range of 1 to 7 we have taken if I want to display this particular style. Now, if I want to display this style, I'm going to take range of, what is the first one value? 6. What is the last value? 1. But don't take 1, try to take 0, because you can see the first argument is always inclusive, but the last argument is excluded. That's why if you take 7 up to 6, it is coming. If you take 0 up to 1, it will come. In this case, we are moving plus 1. But in this case, we have to take minus 1 as a step value. So it will take first time 6, next time 6 minus 1, 5, next time 5 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 won't be included. Like this we are going to get, right? Let us change that loop alone. So what we are doing in the program, instead of 1 to 7, I am taking 6 to 0. Step value is minus 1. Now you can see exactly opposite for this. Now I got 6 rows, then 5 rows, I mean 5 stars, then 4 stars, then 3 stars, then 2 stars, then 1 star. Like that we are getting. This is nothing but how we can able to display 23rd pattern. It is same like previous patterns, right? I think you got very clear clarity about this. Okay, thank you.